In this video, I'll show you how to add a price to a Facebook post step by step. If you're promoting a product or service, you can include the price directly in your post or use a marketplace listing or Facebook shop if those features are available for your account. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page or profile. Tap Create Post or What's on Your Mind to start a new post. Type your caption and clearly include the product name along with its price, such as $49.99 or your local currency. Next, add high-quality photos or a video of the product to make your post more attractive. If your page has a Facebook shop or connected product catalog, you can also use the Tag Products option, if available, to link the product in your post. Review all the details, including the price, description, and images, before publishing. When everything looks correct, tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. If you're selling an individual item, consider creating a Facebook Marketplace listing instead, where dedicated fields for the price and product details are provided. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.